Hi guys, we're in our video, and today I'm opening Lightning McQueen with racing wheels. Should be called tires because they only call it tires in the movie, but Ramon did call it wheels in Cars 3. But here's the box. Like some Spanish stuff, and here's this box, and you can get a rule. He's in one of my unboxings, which I filmed. The Lightning McQueen that we have. Lightning McQueen that we have with racing wheels and True to a Rookie. I need to get it from Chesco. Well, let's open it. Oh, from this place. And here's kind of this stuff with McQueen racing wheels, Rayo McQueen con lentas de corras, Flash McQueen avec pneus de course, and Repeno McQueen com rodas de corrida. So here's front, here's side, here's front, here's bottom, and here is bumper. I already have one of these, but I had to get another one because I haven't unboxed this one before. But make sure you like, oh wait, I forgot what I always do. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I'll see you next video. Bye.